Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your logo in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So simply, first make sure that you are in your admin panel in WordPress. After that, you will need just to go to your website builder or customizer. And for that, you will need to have some website builder. In my case, I have Astra that is using the WordPress blog uh, builder. And all you need to do is to click on customize. And by clicking on customize, it will take you on the customization of your website. So as you can see, this is my theme here, and you can have the style guides, etc. And all we need to do is to search for the site identity, and here where you can find your logo. So this is the site icon or the site title in logo settings. So basically, you can choose how the logo would be, and basically I can remove the logo, or you can select in a media library. For example, I'm just going to choose anything. Uh, let's go for search image, and let's have it to be some random image. So I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm going to insert this image. And basically, this one would be my logo, just as a demonstration or example. So I'm just going to click crop image, and it will be like this. We will wait for the process to finish, and I'm just going to click on publish. So basically now that we have our settings that has been published, and as you can see, you can have something that has been inserted. And it depends on your theme and where it inserts logo. You can just go and visit store and see where our, as you can see, we have this picture here. And of course, because it is just big enough and there are some problem with the styles, you might just start cropping the image on however you like. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.